Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up AWS RDS Aurora for MySQL 8. So first connect to AWS console, then select the region from this list, then click on services, then click on database, then click on Aurora and RDS. Then click on DB instances, then click on create database. Then select the creation method. I am going with standard create. Then engine options. See here engine type. I am going with Aurora MySQL compatible. Okay. So then scroll down. Then select the version. See here we have the versions 8.0.39. Once you selected version, if you want to enable this RDS extended support, select the checkbox. It is up to you. Then templates. See here we have the production, dev or test. But for AWS RDS for MySQL, we will have the free tier as well. Okay. Then DB cluster identifier. Here we have to give the name. So I am giving AWS Aurora MySQL 8.0.39. Okay. Then credential settings. See, this is the master username. Okay, if you want to give like root or any other thing, you can give. So remember this master username. Then credential management, I want to use self-managed. Then if you want to auto generate password, click on here or provide the password. And see here the password must satisfy this constraint. It must be at least 8 printable characters and it cannot contain these symbols. Okay, so keep in mind and provide the password. Confirm the same. Then cluster storage configuration. See here we have the IO optimized and Aurora standard. See, this is the cost effective pricing. Okay, I am going with IO optimized. Then instance configuration. See, by default it has selected memory optimized classes, but if these are too large configurations, so I am going with burstable. And burstable, this is the least instance type, 2 CPUs and 4 gigabytes. Then availability and durability. If you want create Aurora replica, then you have to select this one. I don't want. Okay. Then come down. Connectivity, compute resource. If you want to connect to an easy to compute resource, you have to select. I don't want network type IPv4. Then create new VPC, because I don't have any VPCs in this region. That's why it is showing. It is not showing in this drop down. Okay. Then DB subnet group. I don't have anything, so it will create the new one. If you have an existing one, it will show in the drop down list. Public access, select yes. Then VPC security group or firewall. Choose existing one or create new. I am going with the existing one. So it is the default one. Availability zone. I am going with select any one of them. RDS proxy I don't want. Then additional configuration. See, this is the default port for the MySQL server. Then read replica forward. I don't want to forward, so unselect it. Tags I am not going to provide. Database authentication. See here we have the IAM database authentication and Kerberos authentication. Then monitoring. See, we have only one option, that is database insights. I want to go with this dev or test. Then see here we have the both database insights advanced and standard. Okay, so it is up to you based on your requirement, but I am going with IO optimized. Scroll down. Next, retention period. See, minimum is 7 days and maximum is 24 months. Okay. AWS KMS key I am not going to. I am going with the defaults. Remaining also defaults. OS metric. See, if you want to export these logs, you can select like show log, slow query log or instance log, etc. If you want to enable enhanced monitoring, you have to select the checkbox. If you don't want, unselect it. Okay, it is up to you. Then if you want to turn on this DevOps Guru, you have to select the checkbox. I don't want additional configuration. If you want to create initial database, that is, it will create a database. So I want to create database name as bank. Then backup retention period, we have minimum 1 and max means 35 days. So if you want to copy tags also, you can select enable encryption. And if you want to enable backtrack, select here. If you want to enable auto minor version upgrade, you can select the checkbox. If you don't want, unselect it. And maintenance window, if you want to choose maintenance window, select here. I don't want. So if you want to enable delay to production, you have to select the checkbox. See, this is the estimated cost per month. Also review these settings one more time. And if you are okay with all the settings, then click on create database. Close this one. See, now it is creating the AWS Aurora MySQL 8.0.39. See, successfully created. Click on this. See, this is the cluster. Click on this instance. Then see here, it populated the, and if you want to see the connection details, click on here. See, we have the master data, master password, and this is the master username. Okay, let me close this one. Now wait a moment until endpoint is populated. So we must wait until this to available. In meantime, open MySQL Workbench. If you want to install MySQL Workbench on Windows or Linux operating systems, search for my YouTube channel how to install. See, we have the MySQL Workbench. Okay. Wait until the status to be available. See, now status changed to configuring. See here, it populated endpoint and port number. So click on this copy button to copy this entire endpoint. Then go to MySQL Workbench. Then click on this plus button to create the connection. Then provide the name AWS Aurora MySQL. Then in place of this host name, paste that endpoint. Username is admin. So username is admin, and if you want to copy the password, click on this copy button. Go to here, admin, then click password store in vault, then provide the password, then click on OK, then click on test connection. This will throw error. I will show you the error and resolution. See, if you receive like this, not responding or blank page, no action. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, even if you try to click on text connection, nothing is happening. Okay, so go to Aurora instance, close this one, then now click on this default security. See, we got the error, failed to connect MySQL. Okay, click on OK. Now right click on this security group, open link in new tab, go to here, then click on security group ID, then click on edit inbound rules, then click on add rule, then select custom IP, then select MySQL or Aurora, then select the source, any IP range, or select your own IP, then click on save rules. See, it is success. Now go to here and click on store in vault, then provide the password, then click on OK, then click on test connection. This time we will be able to connect. See, successfully made connection to this host name. This is the endpoint name of our AWS Aurora MySQL. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now click on this one. See, successfully connected. See, we have created database MySQL bank. If you want to create database, right click, create schema, then provide the database name test, then click on apply. This is the way. Or don't save, you can provide the comments here. Okay, and if you want to create users, click on admins, then click on users and roles, users and privileges. See, these are the users that comes with MySQL installation, and this is the master user. If you want to create user, you have to click on add account. Okay, so I'm not going to create. Now if you want to modify, set the password for root account, just go to here. Here we have to provide the password of root account, then you have to click on continue. Okay, then you have to apply, then it will ask to apply the changes immediately. Okay, So that is the way. So go back, click on actions. So if you want to reboot this MySQL Aurora, AWS MySQL Aurora, click on reboot. Or if you are not using anymore, delete it. I strongly recommend, if you are not using, delete it. So charges are based on usage. It is up to you. So we don't have the option to stop, only we have the option to delete. So in this video we have seen how to create or set up AWS Aurora for MySQL. Then we have connected from MySQL Workbench. Okay, for more AWS or DevOps or MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.